This is our 2026 revision of our Ascendo room. I want to show you a little bit of what we have going on here and what's put together for it. We'll go through the speaker system. They're built into a custom baffle wall that we have that's showcased and covered in a fabric right now that's hiding the insulation material. And what's not seen here is this Stewart 4-way masking screen. This is a massive 182-inch diagonal 16:9 screen that masks to whatever aspect we're viewing, and it's going to allow us to close this image up completely when we're not viewing it. So when you come into the room and you hit play, the room opens up and experience the system as it goes on. Next is our acoustic panels from GIK that are doing all of our acoustic treatments for the room, same as we previously had. Then for our speakers here on the sides, we have Ascendo's 12-inch beryllium speaker. And then in the rear of the room, we have Ascendo's 12-inch wedge beryllium speaker. And then showcasing the brand new technology, this is Ascendo's 28-inch infrasonic subwoofer. What's unique about this subwoofer is it not only plays in the infrasonic range, but it also will allow us to play the kick drum range too, which before that's not really been achievable because most subwoofers are designed to play either or. This one will play all of it for us, which gives us more impact in the definition. Great speaker, 5,000 watts of power going to each one of the voice coils in that unit. Up high here we have one of the 4 18-inch Ascendo subwoofers that are going in the room. They're placed up high for placement in our room and what worked best for our acoustic modeling. Next we have showcased here a custom hush box that we have built in place that has an air conditioning unit meant to cool the projector. In this box is a Christie Digital M 4K 15 projector that's capable of achieving 15,000 lumens brightness, which is what's needed to achieve HDR spec on this large 182-inch screen that we have going in. And we have also our Atmos speakers up here. So space constraints limit us a little bit of what we can do in here in this building. So we went with the Ascendo 6-inch wedge speakers for our back Atmos height speakers, the regular Ascendo 6-inch speakers for our middle speakers. And then for our front Atmos height speakers, we went with another pair of the Ascendo wedge speakers. One of the other items we're featuring in this room, different than our previous revision of the room, is pixel LED lighting. So currently it's all exposed because the room's not complete yet. But what's going to happen here is this will be a whole fabric wall system that'll be designed in the room, and these lights will actually be behind a diffused piece of fabric. So built into the walls, we'll have these light columns that go up and across the ceiling. With it being pixel LED lighting, we have control of each diode on the LED, and not each diode individually. There's 4 different color capabilities there. So we have the capability of changing these to whatever color or whatever section we want to. So if we wanted just this light section on, we could have it on in whatever color we want to, or we can do combinations of different colors and functions like that to showcase different moods and experiences. One of the benefits of that is when you come into the space and it's off, we're going to be able to create a scene in here that when you turn the system on, it'll actually do a light show. We can do whatever we want to with it. We could have the lights chase from light to light. We could have them chase up and down. We can have them switch colors, but there will be an automated light show that goes on, when you do it, just to add interest to the space and to make it known that the projector is turning on, it's warming on, and it's getting ready for the experience. Once the projector is on and ready to go, the lights are going to be on exactly the level they want to be when you view the system, and everything's ready to go.